If you're experiencing controller drift on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to configure and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you adjust settings to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Access Steam Input Settings. Open your Steam Deck and navigate to the Steam library. Select the game you want to configure, then click on the gear icon to access the settings. From there, choose Manage and then Controller Configuration. Step 2. Adjust Dead Zone Settings. In the Controller Configuration menu, look for the option labeled Dead Zone. Increase the dead zone for the affected joystick. This adjustment can help mitigate minor drift by requiring a larger movement before the input is registered. Step 3. Test the configuration. After adjusting the dead zone, return to your game and test the controller. Move the joystick around to see if the drift has improved. If the issue persists, you may need to make further adjustments. Step 4. Update firmware. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest firmware. Go to Settings, then System, and check for updates. Keeping your device updated can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. Step 5. Calibrate the joystick. If drift continues, consider recalibrating the joystick. In the Controller Configuration menu, look for the calibration option and follow the on-screen instructions to reset the joystick sensitivity and alignment. By following these steps, you should be able to configure your Steam Deck to reduce or eliminate controller drift. Regular maintenance and adjustments can enhance your gaming experience.